Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we are doing an Amazon haul slash what you can bling. So I got all of these things on Amazon. They are all either by Disney or by a company that is licensed by Disney. So these are things that you can bling up. Some of these are going to be their own individual tutorials, and then some I'm just going to give you guys the idea so you guys can see how you would do them or what you could do possibly to resell items that are Disney, but spruce them up with some bling. Bling is my thing, and I have 40 different colors in tons of different sizes, mostly multi-pack sizes on AuntieTay.com or shopAuntieTay.com. If you're a member, you get 20% off, so check all that out if you're interested. We've always got new things coming out, and so it's always fun to be a member. All right, so let's get started on the haul. The first thing that I got was a Mickey t-shirt, and as soon as I saw this, I thought, how cute would it be to just bling up either his buttons or his face or his shoes, because that would be super cute. So I'm gonna get working on that. If you got a shirt that had his yellow shoes, you could bling up his yellow shoes. And again, just a Disney t-shirt. All of these are in my Amazon store, so check it out if you need even more ideas. I even have an Amazon category of like designer Disney things as well, but all of these things in this video are going to be more of that like common price, everybody can afford, let's add some bling and make it really awesome category. The next thing is a water bottle. So this is by Simple Modern, which they sell on Amazon or they sell in Target. They also sell other places as well. I'm a big fan of this company because they have a lot of really cool things that they stand for. But they also just got their Disney license, so you can bling up their lid. You can bling up some of the Minnie Mouses. They have some other brand or other designs as well, so you can also look in my Amazon store if you want to see what else Simple Modern does. But something I love about Simple Modern is their double insulated insulation is really good, so they keep your water cold for a really long time, and that's important when having a water bottle. All right, the next thing, and this is mid bling, guys, I'm totally sorry, but I think we're getting some sunlight in here so you guys can see. No, not in the right spot. But I got this cute satchel. What is this called? Like a clutch on Amazon. This one is a little bit more expensive, but it is super cute, and the zipper works really good. Like, it's just super cute. But if you can see, I am starting to bling out the bow, and I can't decide if I want to finish out the bow or if I just want to make it subtle. And then I'm blinging out her face as well. I'm using floating lanterns and not enchanted. I'm using our other one, and I'm blanking on the name of our basic crystal right now. Sorry, I suck at my own life company. All right, anyways, but it's our #1 seller besides enchanted. Okay, the next Disney thing that I blinged, or that you could bling, is an Apple Watch, an Apple Watch cover. Now, I'm not sure if these are Disney licensed or not. I don't feel like they are, but piggybacking on this, you could do the watches that you have to go to Disney World. That would be a really fun thing to bling. I used Ice Queen for this one, so it's got kind of like a blue undertone instead of our just regular enchanted. And I can't remember the freaking name of the other one. Okay, so earrings. I'm actually wearing the black earrings, but I got the pack of 3, which come in rose gold, silver, and black, which we used enchanted. A whole tutorial on this just to show you how enchanted changes colors with whatever you put it on. So that's really fun. Another one is these mini Mickey earrings. Let's see if it'll focus. We got some sun coming in at a funky spot. Focus. B-roll. You guys need B-roll. I'll get B-roll for you. But this one comes in Minnie and Mickey. So you wear Minnie in one side, Mickey in another side. Super cute. And those are by Disney themselves. So that's always good. Okay, here's another one by Disney, and it's a hat. And all I did was blinged up the little Mickey, super easy. I actually tried out using a color that we're not carrying because it just did not do well, but it's pretty cute. It didn't sell well, and so we're just not gonna have it in the 40 colors, but there are 40 other colors. This was Happy Thoughts, and I think because it has some greens in it, I just needed to show you guys some more of what to do with it, but I decided to nix it out of the 40 colors because there were other colors coming through, and I'm just excited about those colors first. All right, the next thing is luggage tags. You're gonna notice that some of these things are not blinged yet, and that's because I am waiting for our 40 colors to launch before I show you any of those colors on things. But by the time you're watching this video, they have launched, and there's probably a tutorial coming for these bad boys. But this is, I think you have to buy these separately, but it was a Minnie and a Mickey. How cute, guys, how cute. You could bling the white part, you could bling the red part, you could bling the black part, but you could bling all of it if you wanted to, but these are super cute. So any Disney luggage tag will do, you can bling it up. The next one is a hoodie, and I'm not sure how I feel about a blinged hoodie, but some of y'all out there probably would love it. And after buying this hoodie the way it was, I was like, I just love that hoodie. I don't want to possibly not like it. And so because it's so much white, if it was just a little white, I probably would just bling the little white. I might just bling his nose in black, but you'll have to wait to see the finished product in the B-roll of this video. Okay, and the next thing is a backpack. So this is actually a tutorial. If you want to see what I finished doing to it and how I did it, there will be a tutorial on this backpack. But again, got it on Amazon, super fun, and it's this really canvasy fabric, so glue is just gonna hold onto it real good, so things will not come off of it. And that's one thing I like to look for when blinging something that I want it to be permanent, is some type of texture that the glue can kind of like adhere to. It's almost like sanding before you bling something. Okay, so that is my 10 Disney ideas for you to grab off of Amazon. There are more things, lots more things in Amazon that I've added. Obviously, I don't have unlimited funds just to buy everything. Otherwise, I would have bought it all. But if I was reselling these things, this would be something that I would end up buying. I would buy off of this list. If you're trying to sell things and you want to do some of those higher end things, I've got a whole designer Disney section in Amazon that has like Loungefly and some of those other Petunia pickle, all those like really expensive Disney things that people just swoon over. If you bling some of those up, you could possibly sell those for even more. Obviously, like I said, I can't buy all those things to show you in a tutorial, but Little Birdie might tell you right now that we may be doing a big video like that for a fundraiser, an auction to sell a lot of those things and raise some money for a good cause. That's in the works, but as for now, I have no need to buy 20 Loungefly bags for myself. So if you guys are interested in doing that or seeing me do that, comment down below and let me know any ideas that you might have, or a brand that I might not know about that you think that would do well in the designer auction of Disney blinged things. We're gonna be working on that for a couple different things. So, love you guys, thanks for watching.